Hi guys, what's going on? So for the first time, we're gonna look at this site called the Cubig Club. Okay, now guys, this is the first time I stumbled upon a site, I mean a money-making site or an investment site, and all you can see is all of ads, and you can really not find very important information on the site. Okay, now this simply means that these guys are already making money from the users as they access this site. Okay, now ever since I'm scrolling down, this is the only place where you can find some information about the site. Okay, and just in case you want to log in, you might want to click on the mine, and then it's going to show ads again, and then you have to find where the login button is and log in. As you can see, even the place where you need to enter your name and your password is covered by an ad. Okay, so in this video we're gonna look at what this Cubig is all about and whether it is a legit platform or not. Okay, and there you're gonna know whether you can make money from it or not. Now, just in case you find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like this, it's gonna come right on your inbox. Okay, now according to some online research, this Cubig seems to be a platform where you get to watch ads and make money, and these guys leverage over earnings from referrals. This simply means if you join this platform and you're not willing to refer, your earnings may be low. Okay, now according to some reviews from online reviews where people who are on this platform have sent comments, many are saying when you get involved, the chances of getting money out of the platform is quite difficult. It's unclear why a platform like this can find it difficult to release money, whereas they are making money from the very first page on their site, because all these ads are not for free. Okay, every single ad you see here, these guys are making money from it. So why then would they find it difficult to pay users and make it quite difficult for people to use their platform? Now, another key aspect which I want to talk about on this video is the fact that this Cubig seems to be, a platform where you get to watch ads, you get to watch ads and make some money. What is the meaning of taking investments just in case these ads are visible for every single user? Because these ads, they are brought to you by AdSense platforms like the Google. Okay, so these ads are coming from Google, and for them to subscribe on Google, it's absolutely free. Why then would they take money from you in order for you to have access to their platform? This should be answered by the Cubig team themselves. And just to also tell you that the Cubig teams, just in case you found anybody who is probably the owner and who comes physically online to tell you about the Cubig, that they are the owner, then please send to me whoever those people are and their LinkedIn profile, because I'm finding it very difficult to know who are the founders or who are behind this platform. And for the fact that it's quite difficult to know who's behind the site, there are high chances you should not trust the site. Okay, so whatever history they told you that they have been online for several years, please note that their domains are pointing on the internet that they have been online for less than 10 months. Okay, so put all this in the back of your mind and know that as of this time I'm making this video, this platform and reviews that I'm seeing online shows that this platform is not 100% legit. If people are getting into problems on the platform, there are high chances you too might. Okay, so this is the end of this video, and just in case you have any other thing to say or some platforms for us to review, kindly let me know in the comment, and bye bye for now.